Hello friends, I'm Prachi and today we are going to work on releasing the fear. New Year is coming and we want to release all the fears, bring a change inside us. So the greatest fear that we have inside is not allowing us to take bold decisions in our life, is not allowing us to fulfill the goals of our life. It can be in our personal life, it can be in our professional life. So today we are going to do EFT tapping and release out all the fears that you have, or you can choose only one fear. While we all are tapping together, you can just select one fear that you have which is not allowing you to go ahead in your life in the next year. So close your eyes, just think about one fear that you have which is not allowing you to achieve your goal. So close your eyes, think about that. Think about what is the intensity of that fear. Think about that fear and start tapping along with me, starting from my hand point, the karate chop point. As you can see, I'm tapping like this. This point needs to be stimulated. Just look at this point, or you can tap like this, or you can tap like this. Even though I have this fear which is not allowing me to go ahead in my life, which is not allowing me to fulfill my goals, still I deeply and completely love and accept myself with this fear. This fear, keep your eyes closed, go into that fear while you're tapping on your eyebrow point. This fear, because of this fear, I am not able to achieve my goals. I am not able to reach the abundant state. I am not able to experience what I want. This fear which I feel in the present moment, it can be coming from my past and it is reflecting out in the future. This fear, because of this fear, tap on your chest point. Because of this fear, I am not able to achieve my goals. Because of this fear, I am not able to take strong action. Because of this fear, I am not able to take a strong decision. Because of this fear, I fail in receiving that from the universe. Because of this fear, I feel really unhappy when I am not able to get it, when I am not able to fulfill my desire, when I am not able to fulfill my goal. This fear keeps on bothering me. This fear is not allowing me to manifest what I want in my life. This fear makes me feel horrible. This fear turns me down. This fear makes me incapable of receiving the abundant gifts the universe wants to give me. This fear makes me feel I don't deserve it. I am not worthy of receiving that. All this fear that makes me feel that I am not ready to receive, I don't deserve what I want, my deep down desire that I have been craving for, the dreams and goals which I aspire for. All this fear which stops me every time I think about my goals, my desires, my passion and my dreams which are waiting to be fulfilled in this coming year. I allow myself to destroy and release all the fears which is not allowing me to receive the abundance that I want, to fulfill my desires, to reach my dreams and goals. All this fear, I clear it from each and every cell of my body. I clear it down from all the negative memories which I had experienced from my past life, from my childhood till now, from all lifetime space and dimensions. I destroy it completely. I release myself from all these fears which I kept on experiencing since so many lifetimes, since childhood till now. This fear which I kept on experiencing, it's not going away till now. It's not releasing because I am holding on to it. No one is responsible. Just because I am not allowing it to let it go. If I let it go, I will lose something. If I let go this fear, I will lose something. I will no more be in the fear. I will be free. And I hold back myself from being free. If I become free, I would be able to achieve everything. I won't be able to be like before, fearful, insecure, afraid of doing things, not confident, unworthy of receiving. Because somewhere deep down, I love the state of fear. No one is responsible for it. All that happened with me in my past life, in this life, I am holding on to it. I am not ready to release the fear. Somewhere deep down, I feel that I don't deserve a life of freedom. Somewhere deep down, I feel that I am not deserving to receive the abundant gifts the universe wants to give me. Somewhere deep down, I feel insecure. Somewhere deep down, I feel that I don't deserve it. I allow myself to release this unworthy feeling, this not deserving feeling inside me. This not deserving feeling, this unworthy feeling to receive what I can as a soul. The divine is ready to gift me, but I am not ready to receive it. I hold on to this fear and I ask my divine again and again, why I am not getting it? Why things are not happening? Why my life is this way? All the fears now, I allow myself to release it completely. I allow myself to become free of it because now I know holding on to it was my choice and letting it go is still my choice. Everything that I'm holding on is my choice. Everything that I'm getting right now is my choice. I choose to take control of my life. I choose to take control over this fear because this fear is not greater than me. I am bigger than this fear. This fear is not bigger than me. It is just an emotion. It is just an energy. Maybe it's coming from my past. Maybe it's coming from my childhood. Whatever has happened in my childhood, it's past. I don't need to get attached that whatever has happened with me, that past is over. I detach myself from all those memories where I kept on feeling this fear, and this fear kept on manifesting in my life, showing me that this is what is the reality. It kept on showing me, it kept on making me fall in the loop that you can't get away with me. I made this fear stronger than me. I made all those situations stronger than me. I made all those people stronger than me, and I did not give myself the importance. I did not made myself to be in the power position. I did not made myself to be in the power position. Every time this fear kept on coming, I gave my control to this fear. But now I won't do it. I allow myself to let go all this fear which is not allowing me, which I had been attached till now, all these years, all the past lives. Till now, I allow myself to let it go. I cut myself. I destroy this fear. It's my choice. I just let it go. I don't need it anymore. I don't need it anymore. This fear is not doing any good to me. I don't need it anymore. I release myself from it. This coming new year, I choose to become free of it. This coming new year, I allow myself to live a life of freedom. I destroy and uncreate, and I release myself from all this fear. All this fear, I release it completely. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. I release it completely now. So keep on doing this tapping by just remembering what is that one fear which is holding you back since so many years. Maybe it is coming from your past life, maybe it's coming from this lifetime, maybe there is something negative that happened, but you're still holding on to that fear. But friends, always remember that it is your choice to hold on to that fear or to just let it go. This new year is coming. Write down all the fears and do this tapping to let it go completely. And if you want to book a personal consultation, I will be putting my number in the description. You can call me and lift your life, shift your life with EFT. Thank you so much for joining me with this EFT tapping.